Jaybirds are back with an update to their most popular headphones and my favorite headphones, the Jaybirds X3s, and have introduced the new Jaybird X4s. So after using the Jaybirds for about a week, I quickly came to the conclusion that the Jaybird X4s are more a Jaybird X3S upgrade as opposed to the Jaybird X4s. And with that said, let's get right into what I like, what I don't like about the headphones. So starting with the body, they look pretty much exactly the same as the X3s. The only difference is now they come in grey as opposed to black, and the fins have actually changed completely and they've gone for this rubbery soft material as opposed to the little bit harder that were on the X3s. However, when I opened the box, I very quickly started complaining about the way these looked because I thought the ones on the X3 looked cooler, which they do, but not gonna lie, I really like the ones on the X4 feel. They feel so much better, but this is something that works well with my ear. It might not work well with yours. Sort of depends on your own taste. The next thing that's new with the Jaybird X4s is now they're IPX7 water resistant, so you can keep them in 1 meter for 30 minutes. So technically you could put them on and do a lap around the pool or whatever. They should be perfectly fine. And they also get quick charge. So 10 minutes of charge gives you 1 hour of playback, which is pretty damn awesome considering with the X3s you'd have to charge double that time to get the same 1 hour playback. So that's pretty cool. And the sound on the Jaybird X4s is pretty much exactly the same as the X3. And again, this theme is going to continue throughout this whole review. And that's not exactly a bad thing because the X3s were some of the best sounding sports earphones that I have ever tried. But the only difference is I've been experiencing a lot more dropouts and disconnections happening between my phone and the Jaybird X4s than I did with the X3s. I don't know whether this is something to do with my pair, they might be like ruined or faulty or something, or this is something that's across all Jaybird X4s. So should you buy these? If you own Jaybird X3s, my answer is going to be no. I think keep them and save your money. Just because I think the Jaybird X3s and the X4s are honestly pretty much exactly the same. The only reason you should be upgrading from the X3s is if you live somewhere where it's raining pretty much all the time and you're going to be doing a lot of running in the rain, or you want to swim with your earbuds or something like that, because these guys are waterproof whereas the Jaybird X3s weren't. So that's one reason. If you don't own any Bluetooth earphones and you want to jump the gun and get some earphones, these are definitely the guys to go for. They are actually amazing. Or you can even go for the X3s because they're honestly just as good and save yourself some money. But that's been my review, guys. Let me know what you think of these. Are you going to pick them up or not? But that's it for this one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!